Assalamualaikum students, have a good morning. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Have a fantastic and blessed day. Today students, I am going to share some easy proverbs for daily use in English. You can utilize these proverbs in your daily English language while you are writing something or while you are speaking something. Let's start with me. Haste makes waste. It is a very beautiful proverb, and what is the meaning of this proverb? Haste is a thing which we do very quickly. If we are doing something quickly, obviously that things goes into the waste. There is no use of a quick thing. When you do a thing or a task by thinking or by slowly by using the wisdom, so that work is a good one. Haste makes waste. The second proverb is, it is no use of crying or spilt milk. Have you ever heard about this proverb? The meaning of this proverb is this, that when you are doing something and you haven't completed it and that is already finished, and after some time you are going to repent on it, then what is the benefit of repenting while you haven't done that task on the time? So there is no use of crying or spilt milk when time is gone. Okay, I hope so the meaning is clear to you. The third proverb I am going to share with you is, take care of present and tomorrow will take care of it. Obviously students, you know, when you are going to take care of the things which are coming in the present day, you are looking after to the present, you are taking care of the present work, present time, then obviously the time which is coming tomorrow, so that time will take care of you as well. If you are caring something, the next thing will also care of you. I hope so that is clear. Yes, the fourth proverb is very interesting and it is very commonly used in our daily language. Might is right. A powerful person is always right. As you have heard about the cruelty of the leaders, the oppressing nature of the kings or the rulers who are running our country, or maybe a person who is working in the field, a farmer, his landlord, he is having the power. So a person who is having the power is always right. Maybe he is at wrong, but it is a proverb. A person who is strong, who is having money, who is having strength, who is having power, that is always right. So we use this proverb in our daily English. So memorize it, learn it and use it when you are speaking something, okay? Then the fifth proverb, that is also very nice, blood is thicker than water. Students, you know, you are having blood relations with your family members, with your siblings, with your uncle, aunt, cousins, mother and father. So these are the relations of blood, and the relations of blood are more sincere, they are more keen toward you, they are more honest, you feel more sincerity with them. The real feeling of love comes to you in the relations of blood. While the water is thick, water relations, we can symbolize this word that the other persons, the non-relationship persons, they are having the less warmth of love for us. So on the same way, when you are having a good sincere friend, you say he is a blood friend of me. So it means blood is thicker than the water. The sixth proverb is, union is strength. You know about the union. When you are together, when you are single, there is much difference. If you want to make or take some right from other person, from the rulers, United Nations are always getting progress, while the individual or the separate nations, they are not getting that strength. On the same way, students, you have read the story of a woodcutter. He was cutting woods. He said to their boys, pick up the bundle. They cannot pick up. When they get together and they pick that bundle up very easily. So the union is strength. Union gives you power, more energy. So utilize this proverb in your daily conversation. Union is strength. Wow, amazing, superb. Another beautiful proverb. Practice makes a man perfect. So do you know, when you are not able or ineligible in some task or in some work, when you will repeat it, you will make practice of that work, that will become a more easy for you. For example, if you are writing something, or you are a kid, you are a little baby boy or a girl, you are in the KG class, you are unable to write A properly, but when you make practice on the dots paper, or after that you come on the lining, and then you become able of writing it without any help. So this is the practice which are making you a perfect to write complete A. So this is the meaning of this proverb: practice makes a man perfect. On the same way, when you are cooking, you are unable to cook good food because you are a starter. But when you do daily practice, you are making dinner, lunch, breakfast, making different foods, and on the daily basis, then it is a practice work. So after the practice, you get perfect in that thing. Practice makes a man perfect. So be perfect, make practice more and more, and utilize this proverb in your daily conversation. That will give you a practice, and you can utilize more proverbs in your daily English. Okay, the next proverb is easy come, easy go. What is the meaning of this proverb? Do you know? When you read this line, put emphasis on the wording, and then it is very clear to you. Easy come, easy go. Students, it means when you are doing some hard work to earn something, it gives more passion, it gives more energy, and it gives a long time to get that thing. That thing will remain for a long time. But when you are earning money with the easy way, so obviously it will be spent easily as well. If you are earning money easily, it will easy come and it will easy go. It will be spent easily. Okay, I hope so this is clear to you. The next proverb I am going to share is actions speak louder than the words. When you are speaking words, the power of your actions, the doings, the work you are doing, the practicality in your life is more louder than the words. So many people say that I do this, but they don't do. But actions, the acts you are performing, your performance speaks louder than the words. If someone is saying that I'm not a liar, I am a truth, I speak always truth, so maybe that person is lying, so other will laugh at them. And when you will see actions of some other persons, actions obviously speak louder. The other person will be emphasized to say these words, that this is the man of words, this is the man of the action. So always show your words through the actions. First do, then say. Okay, I hope so this is clear to you. The 10th proverb I am sharing with you is a friend in need is a friend indeed. A real friend is that who helps you in the time of trouble. In your difficult times, a real friend helps you. A person who is not your real friend will not help you in your difficult times. So whenever you are in need, a real friend will come to you indeed. So this is very easy. These are very easy proverbs which I have shared with you. I hope so you have got the meaning of these proverbs. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me again. Now students, what you are going to do? For easy proverb for daily use in English, you will utilize these 10 proverbs in your daily use, and you will send me 10 different proverbs. You will write these proverbs on a piece of chart, and then you will explain the meaning of these proverbs, and you will send your video in the group. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.